naghahanap ka ng drone for vlogs, travel videos, or even cinematic videos, eh baka makatulong tong video na to. Baka lang naman. Quick disclaimer, hindi ako professional drone flyer, so ang review video na ito will be based from a video hobbyist's perspective. So in this video, I'll be sharing the things that I like about the DJI MAVIC Mini. Hindi ito sponsored video, pero DJI, baka naman. Okay, so the first thing that I like about the Mavic Mini is its video capabilities. Gustong-gusto ko yung contrast and saturation ng Mavic Mini kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-color grade ng matagal sa edit. And for me, papalag na talaga yung sharpness and quality nito, especially if you shoot at 2.7K resolution. Ilalagay ko sa description box yung mga links ng mga cinematic videos na nagawa ko using the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini also allows you to shoot with manual settings. Pero kung beginner ka sa camera settings, meron din itong automatic shooting mode. And speaking of beginner, the Mavic Mini also has a user-friendly interface para hindi mahirapan ng mga beginners in flying this drone. Another thing that I like about the Mavic Mini is its battery life. The longer your battery life is, the longer your flight time. On paper, kaya nitong lumipad up to 30 minutes depending on the wind condition. So kahit isa lang yung battery mo, as long as you plan your shots, I'm sure na makakakuha ka na ng enough footages in just one flight. And hindi na rin problema ang pag-charge because you can charge the Mavic Mini through a USB cable. So kung may power bank ka, eh hindi mo na aalalahanin yung battery. And imagine enjoying all these significant features for only 20,000 pesos. Meron din silang Fly More combo at 26,500 pesos where you'll get 2 extra batteries. O diba? 2.7K video resolution, great image quality, longer flight time for a very friendly price. So kung gusto mong madagdagan yung dimensions ng video mo at may budget ka naman, then the Mavic Mini is definitely a good choice for a drone. But wait, there's more. Ito naman yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pagtiyagaan sa Mavic Mini. Wala itong active track feature so hindi nito kayang mag-track ng moving objects. Ang anti-collision sensor nito ay downwards lang. So hindi nito kayang umilag ng obstacles in front of it. And lastly, hindi mo ito maaasahan in long-range flying kung nasa urban environment ka. Kasi this drone operates through a Wi-Fi frequency. So malakas ang interference pag nagpapalipad ka sa urban or residential area. May ginawa akong urban range test video a few months ago so pwede mong panoorin yun after watching this video. So do I think that the DJI MAVIC Mini is worth buying in 2020? For its good feature and tolerable areas for improvement? Yes. And that's the end of this review video of the DJI MAVIC Mini. Kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share kung trip mo lang naman. At kung bago ka rito, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell para notified ka sa mga susunod nating videos. And again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.